Good morning, LinkedIn land. So I'm really having some fun researching and compiling references and citations for this predictive maintenance KPI webinar I'm doing with compressed air best practices. But some things that I want to get you guys thinking about before this happens. So one is there really seems to be like this crossing of swords in definitions, right? Like when we talk about condition-based maintenance, right? We're using condition monitoring to determine the time for preventative maintenance instead of using calendar or machine hours, right? And predictive maintenance, where we're trying to predict remaining usable life and expected time to failure and stuff like this. So there's an overlap on this, but one of these things that I found that was really cool was there was an officer in World War II who ended up becoming a famous geneticist. But there's an officer in World War II that was responsible for keeping a squadron of planes up and going. And he was looking at the number of planes not available for the day because of maintenance requirements and such like this. And he started analyzing the procedures, the styles, all this. And what he ended up figuring out was that, and it's called the Waddington effect, after this guy, C.H. Waddington. The Waddington effect is he's saying there's an uptick in corrective maintenance that occurs statistically after maintenance is performed. Well, I want to cross-reference that thought process really quick because in the SMRP book of knowledge, it talks about precision maintenance. Now, precision maintenance is not a term that I'm familiar with in the compressed air industry, but precision maintenance talks about the system, and not the compressed air system, but like the processes and system for how maintenance is performed. So, for example, instead of tightening it good enough or tightening it with impact, taking it to torque specs, right? It is the individual steps. It is making sure that it's done the same way no matter who does it, right? Like you're alleviating potential points of failure based on how good your process and maintenance, the quality of the maintenance is. And I'm like, man, wow, there's so many things that it's like, if we're just learning compressed air, if we're just learning like what's in our industry, right? We miss out on these just beautiful, crazy, amazing nuggets of wisdom from industry adjacent sources, right? So, man, I hope you guys all have a great day. I hope you stay safe out there. And I also hope you can come on January 29th, 2026 to the webinar on KPIs for predictive maintenance and air compressors. Have a great day, guys.